All right, excellent. Welcome back. We're here in the content and article section. So what we're going to discuss today is basically understanding how to write the content, schedule the content. We're going to talk specifically, we have one specific video that's just on the calendars. We're going to go a little bit into the calendars because you could schedule the content on the calendars. But we're just going to specifically talk about the content and articles here today. So ideally, what you should have learned before is knowing your AI visibility score is the first step to understanding the rankmonster.ai platform. The second step is actually improve those rankings to actually get recommended and cited by AI by using citable content that our system will provide and develop for you, okay? And so, of course, if you are on the dashboard here, like I am here, you want to go to the content tab first. Let's discard this. We're going to go, so if you're on your dashboard, go to the content tab, okay? This is where you're going to understand where all the content lives that you've either published, that are in draft, that have been scheduled, that you could have imported as well. And so these are some of the articles here. So for now, let's just click on this one here to give you an understanding of the actual piece. So of course, inside the content editor, we're in the content editor section here. So what you want to do is click on the generate article button to be able to generate article. This one obviously will just press rewrite. So it'll rewrite the actual article and it will work on publishing the content. Okay. And so once your article is published, you can actually publish it directly from RankMonster to your CMS. If you have set up your blog integration with WordPress, Sandy, whatever CMS you have, in your settings, you can actually push these articles directly with a single click. You can publish them directly, okay? And so as it's writing, we're gonna just talk about a little bit on the citability, and then we'll go into the publish and show you how to actually publish the actual content that we're producing here today, okay? So of course, it's gonna write the article right. If you want to get the primary query to win, you could develop this in the track searches, which I show you in the search video, where you just click on the search that you want to improve, and then it'll develop an article to win for a primary query, okay? And so this one doesn't have one. It's just writing an article based on AI interview tools that actually conduct interviews. It was what the actual system recommended. It'll develop its citability score. It will have the hero image, and then of course SEO metadata here as well. So what we want to do is let's just work on publishing. And so if we click here, we already have Sanity and WordPress done. You could just click this button. If you want to connect your X account, you can connect your X account. If you want to connect your LinkedIn account, you can connect it here. So it will actually publish to LinkedIn. It will publish a version like this, which I'll show you here. Once you generate it, it'll show you what it will actually look like on X and LinkedIn and Medium and Quora. But for auto publishing for content, it can only do social channels, LinkedIn and X, and then of course your CMS site. All right. So if you haven't already, you want to connect your CMS, do that. Here's LinkedIn and X. These are what it will post. So if you don't like these, or if you like these, great. If not, you could actually copy it, paste it, or you can open LinkedIn and publish it, okay? And this is what it will end up posting for you, right? So then you can come here, publish, and then it'll publish to those sites directly, okay? And this is the content generation system. You could save this here. You could come in, you could schedule it to a certain date that's in your calendar, which we're going to talk about the calendar in a moment. And then you're ready to go. You're ready to start getting cited online in AI search. All right, I'll see you in the next video.